Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn A and the. These articles are very small words, but many students get confused while using them. Don't worry. In this video, I will explain A and the in a very simple and easy way with clear examples. So let's get started. Let us start with A. A is used before words that begin with a consonant sound. Please remember, it is about the sound, not the spelling. Examples: a book, a cat, a pen, a university. Here, the word university starts with a letter U, but the sound is U, which is a consonant sound. So we use a university, not an university. An university, a university. So remember, use it before a consonant sound. Now let us learn N is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. Vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U. Examples: an apple, an orange, an umbrella, an hour. Here, the word hour starts with the letter H, but the H is silent. The sound starts with ow, which is a vowel sound. So we say a hour, an hour. So remember, use them before a vowel sound. Now let us understand the is used when we talk about a specific person, place, or thing. Examples: the sun is very hot. Please close the door. The moon looks beautiful. There is only one thing. Both the speaker and listener know what we are talking about. So remember, use the for specific things. Now let us do a quick revision. A before consonant sound. Example: a book, and before vowel sound. Example: an apple. The for specific things. Example: the sun. This simple rule will help you avoid mistakes. Hope this video helped you understand A and the clearly. If you found this lesson useful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more easy English grammar lessons very soon. Thank you so much for watching.